Did you know the guava plant is a powerhouse for your health? The sweet fruit is packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidant, great for immunity, digestion, and skin. But it's not just the fruit. Guava leaves brewed as tea can soothe stomach issue, help control blood sugar, and even boost heart health. You can also use them on your skin to fight acne or as a natural hair rinse. From fruit to leaf, the guava plant is nature's tasty medicine in your backyard. Today we are saving this seedless guava plant from dying by repotting it on a rooftop. But trust me, the result will blow your mind. Let's do this. Step 1. When to repot. Best time is early morning or late evening. Spring or rainy season is perfect. Step 2. Choose a bigger pot. Use a 12 to 8 inch pot with holes at the bottom. Add broken tiles or stone for drainage. Step 3. Make the perfect soil mix. Mix 40% garden soil, 40% compost, and 20% sand. This gives good nutrition and drainage. Step 4. Remove the guava plant safely. Hold the base, tap the old pot, and gently lift the plant out. Don't break the root. Step 5. Repot it right. Place the plant in the new pot, fill around with soil mix, press gently to keep it firm. Step 6. Water and rest. Water well until it drains out. Keep in partial shade for 3 to 5 days. Then move to full sun. Now your seedless guava is ready to grow bigger and give more fruit right on your rooftop. Like, share, and subscribe for more rooftop garden hacks.